Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another easy English conversation lesson.
We're so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn English that you can use at the airport.
Have you ever traveled by airplane? Maybe you felt nervous because everyone was speaking English.
Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners feel nervous at the airport, but after today's lesson, you'll know what to say.
We'll learn useful vocabulary, common expressions, pronunciation tips, and practice speaking together.
So grab a notebook, relax, and let's learn English together.
Imagine this. You're at the airport. You're excited about your trip. You walk to the airline check-in counter.
The airline staff smiles at you. Now it's time to speak English. Let's listen to the conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Could you put it on the scale, please?
Of course.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding begins at 9:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
That was a very common conversation at an airport. Let's look at some useful expressions.
The first one is, "May I see your passport, please?" This is a polite way to ask someone to show their passport.
You'll hear this question at almost every airport. When you hear it, simply give your passport and say, "Sure, here it is."
Let's learn another useful expression. Here it is. You can use this whenever you give someone something.
For example, "May I see your ticket?" Here it is. Very easy.
Next, do you have any bags to check?
This means the airline wants to know if you have a large suitcase that will go under the airplane.
If you have one, you can say, "Yes, I have one suitcase." If you don't, "No, I only have a backpack."
Then the staff says, "Could you put it on the scale, please?"
A scale tells you how heavy your suitcase is. If the bag is too heavy, you may have to pay extra.
Then comes an easy question. Window seat or aisle seat?
A window seat is beside the window. An aisle seat is beside the walkway. Which one do you like?
I like the window seat because I enjoy the view.
Really? I always choose the aisle seat because it's easier to stand up during a long flight.
That's true. Everyone has a favorite.
Vocabulary time.
Now let's learn some important airport words.
Number 1, passport. A passport is your travel document. Don't forget it.
Number 2, boarding pass. This is your airplane ticket. Keep it with you.
Number 3, gate. The gate is where you wait before getting on the airplane.
Number 4, suitcase. This is your travel bag.
Number 5, flight. A flight is your trip by airplane.
Number 6, check-in. Checking in means telling the airline you have arrived.
Number 7, scale. The machine that measures your suitcase.
Number 8, boarding. Boarding means getting on the airplane.
Pronunciation practice.
Now let's practice saying some important words together. Repeat after us.
Passport. Passport. Good. Stress the first syllable.
Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Say both words smoothly.
Could you help me? Could you help me? Notice how could you sounds like could you.
Window seat. Window seat. Great.
Have a nice flight. Have a nice flight. Excellent.
Let's practice.
Now it's your turn. We'll ask a question. Pause the video and answer out loud. Ready?
Question 1. The airport staff says, "May I see your passport, please?" What do you say? The answer is, "Sure, here it is."
Question 2. Which seat do you prefer? A window seat or an aisle seat? Try saying, "I'd like a window seat, please," or "I'd like an aisle seat, please."
Question 3.
Do you have a suitcase? Try answering using a complete sentence.
Quick quiz.
Let's see what you remember. Question 1. What do you show first at the airport? A. A menu. B. A passport. C. A map. The answer is B. Your passport. Excellent.
Review.
Today you learned how to check in at the airport.
You also learned useful words like passport, boarding pass, gate, suitcase, and flight.
You also practiced polite expressions like, "May I see your passport, please?" Here it is, "I'd like a window seat, please."
The more you practice these conversations, the more confident you'll become when you travel by plane.
Closing. Fantastic job today.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident the next time you travel by plane.
If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English conversations every week.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled by airplane? Or where would you like to travel someday?
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next lesson. Happy learning and have a safe journey.